We're not at the Pine today. We're at my house, actually. No, there's my house. We're longboarding. It's Christmas Day. It's cold, but not terribly cold. We're still longboarding. It's not right. There should be snow fucking everywhere. Like, really? There should be snow. It makes me mad. And yes, Cole with his new cute hat. Yeah. Grandma, that was a bad present. I'm sorry. Alright, yeah. We're longboarding. Woo! So, Cole, how do you like the hat? I like balls. You like the balls? We're to wake up and not snow outside. Exactly. There should be snow! It blows dick. It blows dick, Cole? It blows dick. Yes, there should be snow. What, dude? You blow dick? So, Cole, did you get in your snow pants finally? So did Mac. Very sexy. Tight on him, not me. That does. And mine are in the mail. Should be here soon. That's what we're gonna do. Tight pants, light stands. Tight stands. What a medium stand. Hey. Oh yeah, Cole. Cole in his medium stand.
You're the lowest. I met a girl talking away. She found a boy she knew she'd change. I changed my clothes, my hair, my face. You watch us go our separate ways. Today we grown apart for some time. But then you now nobody knew. I hope it's the right was up with all the washes that you gave away. But while I sit here by myself and figure out how I got this way before you go, there's one thing you wanna know. Can't hang then, there's the door, baby. Can't hang then, there's the door, baby. Can't hang then, there's the door, baby. Can't hang then, there's the door. I don't wanna take your passion.
Get done on film. Except for Cole. Just Cole tries to. See that? Cole tries to. Yeah, do you approve? Clean kids.
Waste of my time.